Inside the IQF tunnel, temperatures plummet to minus 40 degrees Celsius. This rapid freezing process
Field to the factory, our green peas are harvested and frozen in under 30 minutes, locking in that fresh taste. It's a race against time. From the moment they're cut, the journey from field to freezer must take less than 30 minutes. Inside the massive green peas factory, field to freezer in under 30 minutes.
To capture that perfect flavor, the harvest moves fast. These peas go from the field to the freezer in under 30 minutes.
From the field to the freezer in under 30 minutes. It's a race against the clock driven by these industrial giants.
Inside the massive green peas factory, we go from field to freezer in under 30 minutes.
From the moment these peas leave the ground, we have less than half an hour to get them frozen.
From the field to the freezer in under 30 minutes, these trucks rush the harvest to ensure peak freshness. 30 minutes, that's all it takes to get these peas from the field to the freezer inside this facility.
Check the moisture level on this batch. It seems a bit high.
Noted. And but where it?
Noted.
The color is excellent though.
From the moment they're harvested, these peas are rushed to the factory floor, beginning their journey from field to freezer in under 30 minutes.
Here, order emerges from the chaos as the vibrating screens sort the peas by size, rushing them toward the freezer.
It's all about density separation. The heavy peas sink to the bottom, while the water whisks away the lighter debris and leaves.
To achieve the 30-minute field-to-freezer goal, the peas are quickly lifted and rinsed by high-pressure water jets.
The peas are rushed along a conveyor belt, where swift water and vibrating tables separate the fragments at high speed.
Once harvested, the pods are rushed to the factory floor. These mechanical rollers can process thousands of
freezer in under 30 minutes. These peas are rapidly washed and sorted by optical scanners to ensure only the freshest make the cut.
To ensure the peas remain separate and maintain their texture, they undergo individual quick freezing, or IQF.
Inside this IQF tunnel, temperatures plunge to minus 40 degrees Celsius, flash freezing the peas instantly.
Inside the IQF tunnel, temperatures plummet to minus 40 degrees Celsius. This rapid freezing process, exiting the massive IQF freezer, the peas are hit with a final minus 40 Celsius air blast, ensuring they are perfectly preserved from field to freezer. Here at the leak test stage, we ensure every seal is perfect. It's this precision that guarantees the freshness of our peas.
In under 30 minutes, the peas are scanned, weighed, and ready for freezing, locking in the freshness.
Faulty packages are automatically diverted without ever slowing the line, ensuring only the best quality reaches the freezer.
From the field to the freezer in under 30 minutes. The packaging line ensures perfect freshness every time. In this state-of-the-art facility, speed is everything. We go from field to freezer in under 30 minutes.
From the field to these massive freezers, the entire process takes less than 30 minutes, guaranteeing peak flavor and freshness.
To guarantee freshness, our massive cold storage facilities maintain a precise minus 25 degrees.
And just like that, the freshest peas are on their way from our facility to tables across the country.
From the field to the freezer aisle, fresh in under 30 minutes.
From the field to the factory, our green peas are harvested and frozen in under 30 minutes, locking in that fresh taste.